welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're going to look at the Juventus home shirt for the 24-25 season. And this shirt was purchased from BestZV1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link as well for my usual seller. I'm not sure whether they do Juventus ones, I've not seen them on there to be fair. But if they're not, there is another link that you can use which gives you a full rundown of all their shirts that they sell, which I will try and see if I can leave that in the description as well. Shirt itself comes in a standard Adidas bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. So if you do enjoy this content, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I say at the start, the seller of this one is BestZV1.com. I will leave all the information for the seller in the description of this video. What we'll do now is we will get this bag open and let's have a look at the Juventus home shirt for the 24-25 season. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt. It's got quite a wide neck to be fair on this one. Got like a white embroidered line around there alongside the Adidas stripes which have all been embroidered in. We have the Serie A patch, which is like a plasticky vinyl. It's actually really quite smooth to be fair. Adidas has been embroidered in. You've got this little target up here which again that's been heat pressed on. The Juventus badge is embroidered in along with the 3 stars. And we have nothing on this sleeve at all. A little mark there. A little mark in the material actually. The sponsor is Save the Children. This is a rubbery sort of texture. And that's been heat pressed on. I feel that feels really lovely actually. Now there is a pattern in the shirt. I'm not sure what that means. If anybody knows, then drop a note in the comments and let me know. But the pattern is all the way down. Putting my hand through. You can't really see it, but once we've got it inside out, I will try and push it in on the crest. It's got some mesh down there, up that side, and down this side as well, which is obviously a breathable material that's there. But that's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around now, and we'll look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're now onto the reverse side, and the collar follows around. Stitching there a little bit off. Goes further look on that side than it does that one. Got the white band though that continues around. A couple of creases, but nothing too worried about. And there you go. Look, if I push in now, you can see where the tag is. It shows just how see-through this material is. So if I was wearing this, I'd be definitely wearing something underneath it. And look, you can even see the Adidas there. And just make out the Juventus logo. The sponsor there, and we do have a reverse sponsor. Is that Sorry Games? That's vinyled on, and then that pattern from the front continues on the back. So it's quite plain here where a name and number would go, and I don't always get name and numbers, but then when I get them and you've got this big white space, I do think to myself, should have probably have got one. But yeah, haven't on this one. So what we'll do now is we'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at that as well. Okay, we're onto the inside of the shirt. Straight up at the top, you have one of these Adidas tags with the QR code on it. Actually, it's also what attaches the Adidas tag on. Just the standard tag. Got some card there. If this doesn't pull off, then just soak it in some lukewarm water and then this will just come off nice and easy. A little bit of excess stitching around there. The Adidas isn't too bad. Again, a little bit down there, but nothing to worry about. The sponsor has gone on lovely. On this sleeve is where our Serie A patch is. So I think that's probably been glued on actually because it's got a darker background. If you compare it to the sponsor, if they've been glued, you get a darker colour there. Bit of loose threading, or loose cotton actually, that wasn't attached. There's a bit more there. That one is attached though. A pair of scissors will soon sort that out. But now you've got it on the inside, look, you can see a lot more of where the breathable material is. At the bottom we have our wash instructions. Recommendation with these shirts is to flip them inside out and do it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dry. But there's the first part of the inside of this shirt. We'll flip it around now and we'll look at the reverse side of the inside. Okay, we've flipped it around and actually straight away, that's the loose cotton that I was showing you on the other side. So yeah, the pair of scissors to soon sort that out. This is an XL slim fit. It's the fan version. Although it is a slim fit, you might want to size up. I always wear something under it, so I do size up. Oh, there's a stain there, look. And if we push in now, you can see just how see-through this white back is. So definitely getting a name and number on this one probably would have been the better idea. There's quite a few creases as well from where it's been in the bag, but once the shirt's been worn, washed, those creases will soon vanish. Yeah, apart from that, all looking okay. It's mad how see-through the white is. So yeah, definitely you'd need to wear something under it, or I would if it was me wearing it. But there's the inside of the shirt. And there is our Juventus home shirt for the 24-25 season from BestZV1.com. I will leave all the information for the seller in the description of this video. So if you want to check out their website, check out the description and you'll see it all in there. I will also leave a dhgate link to my usual seller. I will try and find whether they've got Juventus items. If not, I will just leave something generic on there, but it then does direct you to the seller that I would use on dhgate all the time. The item itself though, I think is really nice. A couple of blemishes on it, a stain and a bit of loose cotton, which we can soon sort out, but it is quite a see-through shirt. So for me, if you're buying this one, you definitely need to have something underneath it. But if you have enjoyed this one, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I said the seller, ZVBest1.com, all information in the description. Thank you very much for watching this Juventus 24-25 shirt review, and I'll see you in the next one.